Good evening, my students. In this video, we'll make the correction for our homework on the zero and first conditional. Let's begin together. The first one I have to do as shown between the brackets. So the first question, if you listen carefully, you will understand the lesson. So I want to correct the verb. What do you think about it? Is it zero or first? I have the other part you will understand, and it speaks about possible action. So I'll say if you listen. I put the verb in the present simple. Okay, if you touches the hot cup, you will hurt yourself. I want to correct the mistake. What's the mistake here? Yes, very good, touches. I don't put S with the subject you. I put it with he or she or it in the present simple. So I'll say if you touch. If it snow, people will wear warm clothes. What kind of if here I'm speaking? I'm speaking about the zero condition. It's fact or it's truth about people. So if it snows, people wear. Here I put present simple and the other part present simple also because I'm speaking about truth. If he clean teeth, he will not need a dentist. So it's a possible action. And I have will in the second part. So if he cleans teeth, he will not need a dentist. If the children have enough time, they play golf. What do you think about it? Is it zero or first? It's not truth. It's not fact. So I'm speaking about a possible action. I'll use the first conditional. So I'll say if the children have enough time, they will play golf. If you throw salt on snow, the snow will melt. So I have to put here present simple and there present simple because I'm speaking about facts. So if you throw salt on snow, the snow melts. If it rains tomorrow, we not go on a picnic. So it's a possible action. So I'll say if it rains tomorrow, we won't go or will not go on a picnic. Okay, the next question. If Peter don't come on time, his teacher is cross with him. I want to correct the mistakes. I have to say if Peter doesn't come on time, his teacher what? This is possible action. Will be cross with him. Will be cross means will be angry. You get water if you mix hydrogen and oxygen. I'm speaking about facts. So you get water if you mix. It's facts. Adil will travels to Paris if he got a cheap ticket. So I have to say Adil will travel to Paris if he gets a cheap ticket. If Sameh takes a taxi, what will happen? Yes, he will arrive early. It's a possible action. If you hurry up, what will happen? You will catch the bus. It's possible action. If the weather was cold, I will wear my gloves. So what's wrong here? I have to say if the weather is cold, I will wear my gloves. If you eat too much, you get very fat. So it's a truth. So I'll say if you eat too much, you get very fat. If Amr travel abroad, we miss him a lot. So if Amr travels abroad, we will miss him a lot. Thank you, my students. I hope you enjoyed this video.